We just arrived at All-Star Sports. We're in the Hoops Hotel building. Let's do a quick look around here. Of course, you have the pull-down Murphy bed that becomes a table. You have the queen bed right in the center of the room. Big screen TV, drawers, and should be a safe in here. And there is. Garbage can and recycling. You have a small fridge. It's not very deep, so don't try and put too much in it. Coffee maker and ice bucket. Nice big screen TV. And in the washroom. Hanger tray clothes. Sink. Have a ironing board. Somewhere in there, there's the iron if you need it. Here you have a tub and shower in this particular unit. Sometimes it's just a shower, sometimes it's a tub and shower. Let's have a look from this angle. And that is All-Star Sports. If they look familiar, All-Star Sports, All-Star Music, All-Star Movies, they're identical. And they're also pretty much identical to Pop Century. Of course, you have our Mickey and Friends, Mickey, Minnie, and Donald Duck up on the wall there. And that's pretty much the limit of Disney theming in these rooms. But they are very nice rooms. I find I sleep great here. And, I think we're going to be quite happy for the next 2 weeks here. And so we'll talk to you again. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.